I did something a little bit bad. So I was so curious about that one, kind of like a big inside. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, guys. I think you guys already watched some of my unboxing GlowAddict monthly subscription, November and December. So I'm gonna show you guys, but I did something a little bit bad. So I did open this box already because I was so curious about that one, kind of like a big inside. So I ended opening this. So this is the November and this is the December. So I'm so excited. Actually, I'm so excited with this one because I haven't opened this one yet. So I only opened this November, but anyway, we're opening the 2 months of this. So they do send me this every month. I'm so excited with this. We're going to start with this one month first because I already opened this and well, I just seen one, and so the rest of this I haven't seen it yet. But guys, if you haven't go to that website of this GlowAddict, go check it out. I believe there's 3 different packets so that you can get it, but this one, I think this is the first one. They do send this to me every month. So you get that skincare, you have, you know, brushes, you have that makeup. So they pretty much every month you have a different, and also they do have like a holiday theme. This one is November. It's supposed to be the fall or the Halloween slash, you know, Thanksgiving. You can create that look for this one, but I wanted to show you guys this one. See this one? This is the skincare. This is why I'm so curious about opening this bag earlier, is because of this, because I wanted to figure out what was that hard inside this bag. So I wanted to see, and so this is the one. Let's check inside. Ooh. I love skincare, guys. It doesn't smell anything, which is perfect for me because I have an allergy, guys, any of the scented. So I use unscented lotion. Anything that's unscented, it's for me. But if there's a scent on the lotion or the skincare, I can't use it because I get that really bumpy skin after a few days. So I'm really allergy for any scented. But there's some scented that I can use, but most of the time I can't. But here you go, guys. I just explained my entire life for you guys. I keep smelling like there's something in there, but anyway. So, how to use: apply a rich layer into clean face. Neck used for evening. Use in the evening. Now I have something for the evening. You know, I always get so excited when I have a new stuff, even though it's skincare, but I get so excited. So there you go. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a lipstick. Is that pretty? It's red. It's that beautiful. It's a nice color red. It's not like dark or something. Ooh. Ah, look at this, guys. Sweet Chef. Look. It's a Sweet Chef. It's a care with vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. Now I have something like vegetable mask. It's cute. And they gave me another brushes. Look at this, guys. I have so much brushes now, guys. Oh my god. Look. And this is what I'm telling you guys. If you check it out, that website, because every holiday they do send you a different theme on eyeshadow palette. So this one is a sweet tea pie. I love the color. It's brown yellow. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look. It's so pretty. It's so bright. So let's open the next one. Let's open this one, guys. So they gave me hybrid hydrogel, which I haven't tried this. I've seen this all the time, but I haven't tried it. So I have 3. Ta-da! So I have that. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Look, a little sponge. See? So if you're like using concealer or something, you can just tap it on the corner of your eyes or something like that. This is really cool. Okay, what is this? Glossy lamination liquid lipstick. So it's like when you receive this, guys, every month. It's like Christmas every month. This brand is Zuba. So next is a Christmas palette. Let's see. I love how they double wrap their palette. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Like, see how beautiful, guys. That it's so pretty. Oh my god, we're gonna play around with this one before the end of Christmas. So we have that cookies in there. What's the last one? Another brushes, guys, from Kala, and it has that little bag so you can carry everywhere. What is this? Oh, look at this. This is like for the lips. Oh, you probably have to do. Ta-da! That's pretty cool. I told you guys, I get so excited when it's makeup. It's like Christmas present. Oh, it's this one. It's right here. There, guys. Are they pretty? This one, it's powder brush, blush brush, angle eyeshadow brush, and then shading brush, and then you have the lips, then eye contour, and then the angle eyeshadow. I think that's so cool. Look, you can put it right here. So if I go travel, I just need one and it's good to go. But you know, I have so much brushes now, and I don't even know some of those brushes how to use them because I just have so much. That's why watch out for the next giveaway because it's gonna be a lot. I am really I wanna do some makeup for this one. This is so cool. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm sure you guys are the same. You guys get so crazy when you guys see something like makeup. It's like me. Look. See that color? Are those beautiful, guys? It's so pretty. Oh, we have lip gloss and a lipstick, so we can use that. And I'll put this away. I want to try this. Let's remove my lipstick. So guys, I removed my lipstick. I want to try this one, and this is Zuba Beauty. This from Zuba Beauty. I look different when I have a dark lipstick, guys. What do you guys think? Are they cute? But anyway, the reason why I don't do a lot of dark color is because I get into my teeth. But anyway, this is great. I like it. That's it. That's our unboxing GlowAddict. So guys, if you haven't go to that website, check it out, guys. You might see something there that you guys do like it. They do provide a great cosmetic, great makeup, skincare. So it's amazing, guys, when you guys receiving that every month. You don't even know what inside in the bag. So that's one of my favorite thing, is because I do like surprises, but I get, you know, like I wanted to find out what inside. Sometimes like I get like really anxious, you know, if I receive something and then I have to wait to open the box or something. But anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss any of my unboxing and my other things going on my channel. And I will see you guys later again. Bye bye.